Hello friends, welcome back to Grand Cooking. Today, Grandmom will be making guar bean fry. Let's get started. In a vessel, add half liter of water. Add salt. Take half kg of guar beans cut approximately by 1 inch and wash them. Add them into the vessel. This recipe can help you in digestion problems and in weight loss. Add about 8 to 9 chilies. The amount of chilies can vary as per your taste. Add a pinch of sugar so the color is retained. Chop 3 onions. While the beans are boiling, powder 100 grams of fried peanuts. You can use a grinder to do the job as well. Once the beans are cooked, strain out the excess water. And separate the chilies from the beans. In a vessel, add 50 ml of oil. Add mustard seeds. Dry chilies. The chopped onions and curry leaves. Saute until the onions start to separate. Squeeze excess water from the guar beans. This recipe is really popular in Rajasthan and it contains a lot of fiber and nutrition. Add half teaspoon of turmeric. Mix it. Squeeze the green chilies and add it into the vessel. Mix it all together. Add half teaspoon of chili powder and add the guar beans. Mix it in. Add the powdered fried peanuts. Mix it all together and let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. And your guar bean fry is ready. This recipe goes really well with chapatis, which makes a healthy breakfast for all ages. So we hope you try this recipe. Please make sure to share, like, subscribe and comment. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.